Hi guys, it's Susan from Luxe RV Resorts, and we have just arrived at Buffalo Ridge RV Park here in Custer, South Dakota. We're excited to be here, and we're going to check this place out from top to bottom. So we're happy you're with us, and let's go see what this place is all about. Come on, let's go. Welcome to Buffalo Ridge Camp Resort in Custer, South Dakota. It's always exciting for us to visit a new destination and RV park. Still, there's that brief moment of wondering, will it live up to our expectations? So we were pleasantly surprised when our first impression was a welcoming one with vast views of beautifully manicured grounds, tall mature trees, and lush greenery all around. We were off to a good start. During our check-in, we found the staff to be friendly, helpful, and very accommodating. It's probably safe to say that we're a little more inquisitive than the average guest with our questions and requests, and yet each day the staff was pleasant, patient, and accommodating with us. The lobby has a cozy sitting area and offers complimentary coffee in the mornings. And if you're looking for a little family time, grab one of their games or free movies and indulge in the complimentary popcorn. The general store was a pleasant surprise, offering a very nice selection of merchandise, sundries, and camping necessities, along with some light fare food items and drinks. Let's talk campsites. Firstly, let me say, there's no shortage of options when it comes to staying at Buffalo Ridge Camp Resort. Buffalo Ridge offers over 150 campsites consisting of over 100 full hookup RV sites for rigs of all sizes. There are several different styles of cabins, from economy, treehouse style, to more upscale units. And they also offer some creative options such as glamping tents with bathrooms inside and fun decorative teepees. The teepees don't have bathrooms inside, but do offer a nearby restroom facility with a fun option of private outdoor showers, in addition to the regular bathrooms. I'm not kidding when I say there is literally something for everyone here. What I love about these options is that you don't have to own an RV to stay here. Friends and family that don't have access to an RV have numerous alternate options if they want to come along and enjoy the vacation with you. We stayed here for 4 nights and chose to use this park as a home base because of its central location to the many attractions in the surrounding area. We also decided to experience different campsite locations within the property throughout our stay so we could share with you which ones were our favorites. I won't keep you in suspense, and we'll go directly to our favorite spot, which was site number 510. The reason we like this spot is because it's a spacious site at the outer edge of the RV loop, offering views overlooking the open space area and the glamping tents beyond. To us, it's one of the more serene spots on the property, but do take note, it is also one of the most requested as well. Other sites noteworthy of mentioning are the popular sites 502, 503, and 504. These 3 sites are slightly elevated overlooking the pull-through lot. The elevation provides broader views and feels more spacious. We had the opportunity to stay at site number 504, which in my opinion is the best of the 3. It was a comfortable site and felt like it offered some privacy due to the slight elevation above the passage road. These 3 sites also offer the perk of a wooden deck where the picnic table is placed, which somehow felt decadent as no other spots have a wooden deck. Most of all the sites on property offer picnic tables along with fire pits. As a last note, sites 103 to 108 are spacious sites. However, something to know is that they are right next to the playground and closest to the main office, so there is a lot more activity in this area. I would say this might be a perfect location for families with children or people who don't mind being around a little more activity and noise. Okay, let's talk amenities. Restrooms. One of the biggest perks we always look for at a Luxe RV Resorts are private restrooms, and Buffalo Ridge does offer private restrooms with a shower, sink, and toilet. The restrooms aren't the fanciest we've seen, but they are kept very clean. My only note for reference is that we found the shower to have low water pressure. The campground offers 2 pools, both located in the same general area. One is an adult-only pool, which we've come to appreciate on a property, and the other is a family pool. There is also a hot tub open to all. Another nice feature is the poolside bar, offering some food items and drinks for both the kiddos and adults, along with tables to eat at and relax. It's a nice area to lounge and enjoy a break by the pool. This felt very much like a resort-style amenity. Additional amenities include free Wi-Fi, 24-hour coin-operated laundry rooms, playground, disc golf course, free games and movie rentals with complimentary popcorn, and special events throughout the year. Now for our summary review of Buffalo Ridge Camp Resort. Part 1 is the location and staff management of the property. We found the location and general area of the property very desirable. Buffalo Ridge is situated on 85 acres of vast, well-manicured landscape. The location feels safe and is located just minutes to the charming downtown of Custer, South Dakota. Out of 40 points, we give this category 36.5 points. Part 2, amenities. Overall, we feel this property offers very nice amenities. Some factors in our consideration for rating the process were that although the property has a very nice main building that includes registration, a nice camp store, and sitting area, it wasn't really an area that we would consider a clubhouse. But they do offer complimentary coffee in the mornings and popcorn in the afternoons, so that was nice. The poolside bar does offer light fare food options and drinks as well as some adult beverages, but it's not a full restaurant and bar. There's an adult-only pool, however it's located in the same location as the family pool and not boundary defined in any way, so the adult-only pool doesn't always remain adult-only. Buffalo Ridge does offer private restrooms and showers, which is a nice amenity. They weren't the fanciest we've ever seen, but they were kept very clean. And the water shower pressure was a little low. Based on these and other factors, out of 30 points, we give this category 24 points. Part 3, property condition and environment. This property is well maintained and for the most part feels spacious throughout. We felt the RV lot sizes were average in size, with some particular ones mentioned earlier offering more space. The gravel sites were fairly level, however all spots we stayed at did need some leveling. Based on these results, out of 30 points, we give this category 25.5. Combining all 3 categories, we give this property 86 points, which we consider a 4+ star resort. We believe that this property has something to offer for everyone and is well worth a visit.